Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. My name is CG Plays, and today we are actually just keeping it simple and playing Sons of the Forest. Today we are actually going to be checking out this new four-wheel glider that I found in the mountains somewhere, in like a cave. I actually found two of them, one in caves and one in mountains. I don't know where it is currently in here. I think it's up here. No. Solar panels. Maybe I was mistaken. Medium solar. Oh wait, what's this? Oh yes, foldable glider. So I guess it's right here. I think you literally just have to fly off and like you just have to go somewhere. So I could just go to the top of the mountain, for example, and then just jump off and just yeah, that exactly. Exactly. That's what I'm planning. You just equip another thing, and it's like glider stash. I can bring her back out. And obviously, just same as every regular item. Now, I do have to make a way. I will probably just make a way. Today, I'm just going to try to get a way up. It's going to kind of maybe place like a giant, really big, platform. Would that work? Maybe not. I don't know. I say I make something. I say like I make like a watchtower because then I can use it for jumping off of this thing and starting up things. Let's just start at the first. Oh, look at tower. That's a tree platform. I'm not looking for tree platform here. Here we go. Something. Ah, here we go. Look at tower. Make sure it like faces. Make sure it just faces the lake. Boom. This is gonna take forever to build, but let's do that. Let's build up the watchtower. Where's Calvin? So I should probably tell Calvin first. Oh shoot, he's right here. Calvin, don't go too far. I'll see you go to the build. Finish structure. Thanks, Calvin. And as you can see, my beautiful house here. I should probably just lock her out. No, what are you doing? Why are you picking up logs? Wait. Hold on. What is going on? Oh my god. No. Calvin, wrong structure. Follow me. Calvin, no. No, that's definitely the wrong structure. Oh my. Wait, follow me. Now I know you can help with custom builds. We just done that with spiked wall. Wait, I just said spiked. Okay, come here, Cal. Come on. Be a good boy. Good boy. Okay, I should be able to do it now. Build, finish structure. Please finish this structure. Not that. That. He's picking up rocks again. What's he even building there? I don't really understand. Oh, he's doing that. Okay, honestly, we'll let him do that. Okay. That isn't money. Bye bye. I don't want to really drink from it. I don't think you should ever drink from it. It's pretty disgusting. What day is it right now? I'm actually, as you guys know, around day 10, 11, it should be coming with this, so I do still have to prepare for that. But I'm just really trying to get this full ladder thing down, and I just got that. And have a little shower. I should probably grab my little log plants. This is gonna take forever, but it will not take as long as this house did. That's pretty much the whole base. This actually would be part of the base. I guess you'd say that. Wouldn't be the best part of it. Wouldn't be the best part of it, but it is definitely a part of the base. So. I should actually take a golf cart out for some spin every once in a while. Just driving around here. Oh no. Please get away from Calvin, sir. Oh my, we got a demon. I call him demon. I don't think they're actually called demon. Just call him that. Antler guys. I don't know, they got antlers on that charge drugs. It's kind of weird. It's scary. This will shoot their leader, because the guys with the golden mask. Makes perfect sense, but they are actually the leaders. It does actually make sense. So, and if you are wondering why I didn't build big walls, I wanted to be able to stay out here with the sniper, knowing that they shouldn't come to, like, if they do jump, they won't be able to, like, just run right up to me. And I know it's not even going to do anything whether it's spiked or not. I mean, it will, but it's not going to be the greatest. I could build a bigger wall and just put some platforms on it, but I honestly do not feel like it. Not when I'm working on this masterpiece. So, yeah, that's kind of why I don't want to do it. Strange, I know, but it's what you gotta do. What you gotta do. What you gotta do. Say one. Did that say 1 out of 2 logs? Maybe it just swapped over to something else. I guarantee that's what it was. There's no way. Oh no, because it was 1, 2, 12. Forgot it. Yeah. I'm back to 12. Wait, I put the shotgun. Yeah. And yes, I do actually have the revolver, so I should test that out sometime soon. I should do that like a little bit. Head over the camera. Just test it. That's why it's somewhat convenient on when it comes to a camera campaign. Did he finish it? Is he? No. Okay. I was gonna say, did you finish this? Oh. Well, now that I'm back here, I might as well put them. I forgot to put them in the shelter. I'm just gonna put them back. So, I might as well now put some more trees down. Hold on one second. Please, I will be right back. I'm so sorry for that delay. I just had to grab this thing with my mic. Oh my! Oh my! They're attacking Calvin. Sorry, I just had to grab this thing for my microphone here so that it just wouldn't dim out. Because I had it before in past videos, but it just kind of was starting to dim out really quick. Just had to grab that. Now we're done with that, so I don't think it gave us 4. I think it only gave us 2. So I might as well now just kind of do it. But of course, no, that's not. But there's a log in there. Probably should stop looking at that actually. Oh, my thing's dead. I got lots of batteries for it, but still, I got batteries for both. I got batteries for flashlight. What's the flashlight? Okay, I got it. Okay, see how many batteries I have. 6 batteries. I got batteries, flashlight, this thing, which I don't even need to use, but hey, it's kind of nice. This thing, and I think I got batteries for something else. Oh no, those are golf cart batteries. Well, that doesn't matter. These are for, like, well, golf carts probably. I don't really know. I don't know what you use. Let's see what I can't put. What do I have in here? The shovel, yeah, that's useful. This thing, useful. That useful. That useful. No. That right in there. I don't want to take out the shovel. The shovel's definitely more. Whoa, how much space does this thing have? Oh my. Well, I guess we can put that there. Oh no, that just looks wrong. Sorry for the delay here. This is probably let's just go back to that. So then now I have a quick and easy thing. Just grab a shovel, flask maybe, grab this. Oh, you can grab my crossbow, which should actually come in handy for around day. When I get up there in the days, where like day 15 and when all the mutants are spawning around, I have to deal with some demons. Demons that will actually end up in the days. If I managed to find the cross, which I think I missed it in the cave. So, that one's a little long, but hey. Another good thing is really convenient. I can just walk up there and I'll right under the bunker from down there. I personally think that the best bunker is in, oh my god. You made the wrong decision. That is Sprout's Which tree did this fall? Which direction did this tree fall into? There we go. I have to walk so far. Well, I don't have to walk too far. I have to walk at a decent rate. I've been at this one thing for so long now. I feel like I could speed this up. Just make sure really quick. Just let me know down in the comments what kind of games and what kind of stuff you want me to do in games. Like for example, get something in Slings of the Forest. Just tell me if you want me to do that. Just tell me in the comments. Gladly try to do that. Like for example, get the katana. What do you want to do that? So I'm gonna have to prepare to get that katana, and then we'll. Actually really quickly while I'm doing this. I don't want to make this too boring, so I'm actually just going to go test out this, which I've used this thing a billion times, probably more. Well, sorry. I've used this thing a lot of times, so that's my point. So I'm just going to kind of go and test. I'm going to use it in a little bit. Maybe we can finally just test it out. Please tell me. It's a really good weapon. It's Calvin all the way out here. Calvin, what are you doing, man? Why are you out of... Don't tell me. Thank God you're not dead. Where is this thing looking? Is it not right here? Ah, here. This is where it comes to the middle. It all comes to the middle. This should this is necessary for these things. I'm not even using my shotgun. I just need to start this revolver in it. Excuse me, sir. Please don't make the houses again. I'm gonna accept that way. You stop in the body. Please do not talk. I'm not telling you. Safe I should probably do this, but I can't. I don't think I can actually color things. Let's just... Honestly, I feel like there's no candles around. Could you... Oh my. That's sad. I don't know what to do. I don't understand this. Yes, wire. I'm looking for so much wire. Yes, wire! Those don't matter to me. 6 wire, yes. A decent amount of one. How many missed ones is there? 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I'm gonna do something really exciting. Like I'm begging. Let me down. Let me know down in the comments what I should do. Because I have no clue what to do. I'm actually really so a lot of support would be good. Honestly. Where's the house? Oh, it's literally some bedroom system. Yo. I should have built my treehouse in this. Oh, no branches whatsoever. Gosh. Oh, lovely. Maybe I grab another solar panel. Also put it over here. Take this golf cart battery. Put it over where golf cart battery. Here! But now where do I make some sort of light? We'll see if I can't just make a light source from here. Do something like that. I feel like this will be a great spot. Right here. Right here. So here. Yo, no way I can actually press. Thank God. No way I can press that button. Yes! That is awesome. So now I can just take it. No. I actually take it. Yes. Yo! No way. It's just kind of out there. Can't actually hold that. Where's the other wall torch? I knew I had one somewhere. Yeah. I just kind of. Hit me low. I see what Moo I have to go to now. I'm sorry. Oh my god, I can't. No, I took down the wrong. So now I keep doing it. I feel like I probably shouldn't be shooting. Oh! Why won't it just hit? Move. Oh my god. Do I... Like... It's so weird, because then once I'm finished this, that's won't be... Like, it's not even impossible to see. I can't do that. Okay, let's just grab the wire. Put the wire in. And save. And we should be able to just do everything from there. That scared me, honestly. That is terrifying. I need 8, so I can just bring 4 and I can bring 2 and I can 2. It's onto 1. By 4. Orange hand by 4. He's taking 2 cow. This is the perfect time to use this. Holy, and it works way too easy. I'm gonna use these because I honestly do not need any of these. What the world? Oh, nah, dude. Nah. I don't even think I need that one. Honestly. I think it's worth it. It's useless. Look. I think that back is nice. Let's turn it on. Well, it doesn't really do much. This lights up the house pretty good. This is actually chilling for me. The dead of night. Otherwise, you can do this. It won't be as good. It won't be like the aspects. I might just make one little slit. I am in the rocks. So I just don't feel like doing much. I still don't know how. Oh wow, you literally get full-sized rocks and you get cheaper. You don't get like half-sized rocks, for example. Like, not like the rocks that you use to put on the campfires. The actual, like, just like for example, like you know how you get like the mini rocks, or mini logs. You get like the half logs. So now I can get like a half rock. I don't know. Now I have to take sticks and build a fire inside of this. But the worst part is the fact that I already have a fire here. So now I did not. Okay, take that. Spiders, please don't come. Oh jeez, oh no, I'm breaking the phone. Okay. Oh, this is just going good. This day is going amazing. I don't have a look. Was it? Oh, I need. Well, I mean, it's pretty neat how you can actually make that to look like this. Jesus. It's pretty neat how you can make this. And I think you can actually do that. Oh, this is where this thing comes in. And there's a cannibal somewhere at my base, but I'm honestly not looking. Get that one. Okay. Did they auto-organize? Let's take this chance to test out. Cannibal! Does it do damage? No, it doesn't do. Oh my! Oh, please! Mr. Cannibal, please don't attack me. You do not like it. Oh my. Okay, well, geez, at least that one shot. One shot count. I'm sure that. Anyways, if you found this video entertaining, please tell me down in the comments. Make sure to like and subscribe. And hit that notification bell for more. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.